Good morning, CBK Wahoo here, back with a pyramid build. And now we have our legs. This is going to be part 4, and this is the zeolite and amethyst and orgonite materials that go in this layer. And we've done a light coloring. We're still going to have the color, but lighter, so you can kind of see the gemstones that are going to be in there. And then the next one will be the zeolites, and then the final pour will be a clear pour, and you'll be able to see the crystals and whatnot underneath it. And then that gives it the final one. But this is the legs, and they're cut to about 7 inches. And we'll show you have to have enough clearance. We want to have at least 4.5 inches clearance to sit over the top. When the wire is poured from the wire to the legs, you need at least 4.5 for this coil that we're using now. So that's that, and then we have this. We're going to pour this in the next layer. There we go. It's roughly a quarter inch to a half-inch pour. And then we're going to put we're just going to drop our amethyst crystals in there, and then they'll sink to the bottom like so. That, and next goes the zeolite and some charcoal. These will go on there and they'll sink in a little bit. And like I said, the next layer will be clear. And that will be the final layer. You can do small incremental layers and do more colors and more metals the way you want it, but for the purposes of this demonstration and how to, and then you can do it however you want, with other colors you want, with whatever you want to put in it. Here's another tip there. You can add Orbeez with water to soak up water and put that in there. And then also natural oils, like whatever kind of oils you want to put in there, and have them soak it in like a frankincense oil, and soak it in there, and you can add that into the mix also. So that's that one there. We'll be back with a part 5 and the final pour, and then we'll have a demonstration of this sitting on top of a coil working. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe.